Hello and welcome to this video on how to use ChatGPT to write constructive feedback. Part of being a good leader at UF is communicating with your employees when they need to improve on a work-related task. We have the UF Engaged system to facilitate these conversations, but it can still be tricky sometimes to come up with the right way to communicate feedback that is constructive and doesn't feel punitive. Luckily, this is just the kind of thing that ChatGPT is good at doing. Consider using basic prompts to rewrite feedback in a way that is constructive. As we know with UF Engaged, you're supposed to input performance that can be improved into the text field. Please note that ChatGPT only knows what you enter in, so will not know the specifics of the situation with your employee. Please review ChatGPT's responses carefully to assure that the feedback is tailored and specific to the employee and their specific performance. Here's an example of using ChatGPT to rewrite feedback that is distinctly not constructive into feedback that is. The prompt. Rewrite the following feedback to be constructive and actionable. Your performance lately has been disappointing. You're not meeting expectations, and frankly, it's becoming frustrating for everyone involved. You need to step up your game and start producing results. Otherwise, I'm not sure how much longer we can keep you on the team. Now, I wrote something here that I'm assuming you would not write. This is pretty negative, but as an example, let's see what ChatGPT did with this. I'd like to discuss some areas where we can work together to improve your performance. Recently, we've noticed some gaps between expectations and outcomes. It's important for us to address these challenges constructively. Let's explore ways to enhance your productivity and achieve the desired results. Your contribution is valuable to the team, and I believe with some adjustments, we can ensure your success here. Let's collaborate on a plan to help you meet your goals and fulfill your role effectively. That's more constructive and actionable, in my opinion. Obviously, we're using very generic concepts with this example. Let's try something a bit more specific. This is a documented account of someone's work that is a bit lacking. Jim did not complete 3 projects on time this quarter. This is just an observation. There is no actual feedback here. Let's see what ChatGPT will say if we use the prompt, write constructive and actionable feedback for an employee who has done this. Jim, I'd like to discuss some observations regarding project timelines this quarter. It appears that 3 projects were not completed on time as per our expectations. It's crucial for us to ensure timely delivery to meet our goals and commitments. To address this, let's review the factors contributing to the delays. It could be helpful to identify any challenges you faced during these projects and explore potential solutions together. Additionally, we might consider refining our project management strategies or adjusting deadlines to improve our success rate. Moving forward, I encourage open communication about project progress and any obstacles you encounter along the way. Let's work together to establish realistic timelines and ensure effective prioritization to meet project deadlines successfully. Your dedication to improving in this area will not only benefit your own performance, but also contribute to the team's overall success. This is much better and again actionable, which is important when it comes to good leadership. If you're having a hard time coming up with the right way to give feedback, give ChatGPT a try. As a reminder, be sure to customize what ChatGPT gives you before providing it to your employee to make sure that the details are specific and accurate to their performance. For more resources about giving feedback during quarterly check-ins, check out our UF Engaged Leader Resources page. The link is in the description of this video.